Student, in continuation of last class, today's topic is structure of heart. See the heart, diagram of heart. Heart have four chamber. Human heart have four chamber. Upper chamber is arterium. Superior chamber is arterium, and inferior chamber is ventricle. Arterium divide into two parts, right arterium and left arterium. See, this is the right arterium and this part is left arterium. Arterium, left arterium and right arterium. Lower part is left ventricle and right ventricle. See, left ventricle and this one is right ventricle. So four chamber. Right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. At the time, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood present in heart without intermixing because of four chamber of heart. फोर चैम्बर होने की वजह से at a time oxygenated deoxygenated both kind of blood present in heart but without any mixing. Four chamber, and four chamber is also connected each other. Right atrium connect with right ventricle. Right part have deoxygenated blood and right atrium connect with right ventricle by interauricular tricuspid valve. The valve है tricuspid valve. See, tricuspid valve here between the right atrium and right ventricle. See the left side, left atrium and left ventricle between bicuspid. Interauricular valve is bicuspid. Valve is here. Bicuspid valve, interauricular valve, and this side is tricuspid. Right side में tricuspid and left side में bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve on left side and right side have tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve connect the right atrium to right ventricle and bicuspid connect left atrium to left ventricle. Left side have oxygenated blood and right side have deoxygenated blood. And right auricle receive blood from the vena cava. Vena cava divided into two parts, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, which carry blood from the upper part of body, upper to heart part of body is known as superior vena cava, which carry the blood from the lower part of the body is called inferior. See, upper part of body and lower part of, दो वेना कवा हो गई, एक upper part से ला रही, एक lower part से. And vena cava pour the blood in right atrium. Relax the atrium and receive the blood from the vena cava. Right side से vena cava से and left side से pulmonary vein के through oxygenated blood आएगा and right side से deoxygenated blood with the help of vena cava. And then atrium heavy and constrict the atrium and pour the blood into ventricle. To right atrium pour the deoxygenated blood in right ventricle and left atrium pour oxygenated blood into left ventricle. And then left ventricle pour the blood in aorta to supply the different body part and right ventricle pour the blood in pulmonary artery to the lungs. And lungs exchange the carbon dioxide and in place of carbon dioxide they add the oxygen and blood convert into oxygenated in lungs and then again blood with pulmonary vein come to the left side. So two time of blood pass through the heart, once in the form of oxygenated and one in the form of deoxygenated. That's why the circulation of blood in human being is known as double circulation. See how to blood flow through the heart. The right atrium, again I repeat it, right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from all part of the body through the large vein is called vena cava. Vena cava, see the vena cava. When the right arterium is full of blood, it contracts and tricuspid valve open under pressure and the blood is forced into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle is full of the blood, is contract and the blood pump into the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk divide into two part, left. See ye pulmonary artery. Divide into two part, left and right. Left artery carry the blood to left lung and right pulmonary artery carry the blood to the right lungs. So pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Oxygenated blood return heart by the pulmonary vein and empty into the left auricle. Left auricle में आ जाएगा pulmonary vein के through. When the left auricle contract, the blood passes through the left ventricle by the opening of bicuspid valve. On contraction of the left ventricle, blood pump into the largest artery is called aorta. The aorta branch into vessels and transport blood to the heart and the other body part. Aorta. See the aorta. Aorta carry the blood, oxygenated blood from the left ventricle. So left side have oxygenated blood and right side have deoxygenated blood. So the circulatory system of man is called double circulation. Blood passes through the heart twice in one complete circulation. One complete circulation, blood passes twice. So first circulation, deoxygenated circulation, is known as pulmonary circulation. When in case of pulmonary circulation, right ventricle pour the blood into pulmonary artery, right side carry to right lungs and left side carry to left lungs. And it begin the right ventricle and expel the blood into the pulmonary trunk. The blood flow into the vascular system of the lungs, become oxygenated and return to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Right ventricle से pulmonary trunk में जाएगा. Pulmonary trunk divide into two part, left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery. Left pulmonary artery carry the left lungs and right carry to the right lung. After that, blood oxygenated in lungs and then return in through the pulmonary vein to the left auricle. And this circulation is known as pulmonary circulation. And systemic circulation, the circulation maintained by the left ventricle which send the blood into the aorta. The aorta divide into anterior arteries and arterioles and finally capillaries and then supply the oxygenated blood each and every cell. The deoxygenated blood is collected by the veins and returned by the vena cava to the right arterium. So you check it, two type of circulation, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So this type, two times blood pass through the heart. That's why we known as a double circulation in man.